Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make another playlist on Soundcloud. Once in the app, as you can see right here, you are going to tap on the three books in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to select playlist. It's the second option from the top. Then you'll tap on create playlist. As you can see here, I have a playlist created already. Now to make a second one, you'll simply tap on create playlist and you can add the playlist name right here. Then tap on save. And from here you could add songs if you would like. As you can see here, let's find some tracks for your playlist. You could tap on go to search and you can search for the songs that you would like to add. And once you have found a song that you like, you can simply tap on the three dots right there and tap on add to playlist. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.